Good morning, welcome to Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you this 2020 Bighorn 3375 SS. It's got a double slide in this front bedroom up here to actually give you a nice big bedroom. And then it has a rear living space. It's got a lot of storage. It's got a great bathroom in this actual floor plan. Let's kind of take a look at it real quick. It's got hydraulic levelers all the way around. It's a pretty good sized fifth wheel. Good storage, nice awning all the way down. It's got the frameless windows. Nice solid step on your way in here. As you enter the unit, you can see it's got a nice big bathroom right here. It's got your dinette table, recliners, a rear couch, kind of a seating entertaining area to hang out. Nice large island, lots of counter space in the kitchen, lots of room to cook and move around while you can entertain and hang out as well. Good size refrigerator, oven, convection microwave as well. This is a good type of live-in unit for a fifth wheel. Good storage all the way across here. Storage, good counter space. It also has the control system here for everything. It's a nice touchscreen type of system. And then as you kind of make your way around the unit, come up into the bathroom area. Nice corner shower. Storage again, awesome. Love a lot of storage in a unit because you can't have enough. Walk-in shower there. Big bedroom. Check out this bedroom. Double doors in the bathroom, double slide out here, so that we actually get a decent sized room. And TV in here, storage again, washer dryer location, closet, lots of storage, decent light, a nice floor to top window right here. This unit and anything here at Guaranty RV, my name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. My cell is 541-601-8742. I'm happy to help you with anything here on our lot, anything we sell. Have a great day.